Trust me when I say this, I have tried literally every manifestation method that is out there, the cups method, the 369 method, you name it. I have tried all of them, but nothing works as fast as this method.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can get.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and today we're gonna talk about a manifestation method that is super fast, effective, and the best method that is out there, which is robotic affirmations. So robotic affirmations, if you didn't already know, is basically affirming like a robot, either one or two statements on a repetitive basis until it brainwashes your subconscious mind to believe that it is true and real. Before I begin to explain my exact method on how I manifest in lightning speed and how I've been using robotic affirmations to literally get everything that I truly desire, quick disclaimer, I am not trying to disregard or say that any other manifestation method is not accurate or it's not good enough. Like, it is totally fine for you to experiment and find the one that works the best for you. I am a person who loves learning things through speaking or through listening, and it's so much more easier for me, and maybe that's what worked with me or my subconscious mind specifically. But you could be a visual person, and this method might not work as well as a vision board method for you, because you're someone who manifest things quicker and easily visually. You have to experiment and find the method that suits the best for you. From all the books I've read out there and from a lot of research and also seeing a lot of blog posts, I know that robotic affirmations is something that works really quick. The robotic affirmations, a lot of people have seen so much of success. Like, there are literally overnight results with this method. So try it, and it's anyway absolutely free, super easy to do it. So why not just try it and see if it really works for you. So let me get started and tell you step by step how to robotically affirm and manifest anything that you want. Step 1 in this method is to get clear on what you want. So I want you to plan and write down one or at the max 2 statements which are simple, short, and which basically tell your intended desire clearly. So for example, the statement could be, I got an A grade in the chemistry test, or another statement could be, I got married to my SP, or I got married to my boyfriend. Anything that you desire and you truly want, you can do it. So a simple statement would be something like, I have a job in New York City, or I am working in New York City, or I am working with Google in New York City. Anything like that, any statement like that. And step 2 is, what you do is just repeat the same statement in loop. So you can do this either in the day when your subconscious mind is very active, like right after you wake up, or you can do it during the night when you're just about to sleep. So what you're going to do is basically repeat like a parrot or like a robot the same statement. I am working in New York City, or I have a job in New York City. That is exactly what you repeat, and it doesn't have to be a specific number. You can repeat it like 50 times or 60 times, whatever suits the best for you. But I would recommend doing it like for 10 minutes in the morning, or maybe 10 minutes right when you're drifting out to sleep. 10 minutes is a pretty good amount of time, but just make sure that you are focused on this. Even if you find yourself getting like distracted thoughts, you're getting deviated, don't worry about it. Try to get yourself back in the zone and just repeat it like a robot. The best part about this method is you don't have to have any attached feelings towards it. You don't have to think too much about the outcome. You don't have to worry about your desired result. You're just affirming like a robot and leaving it. Like, you're just leaving it to the universe. You're not going to think about it. You're not going to care about it. You're not going to worry about it. You don't even have to consciously think. You don't even have to do a meditation or get yourself into that zone. You can do this literally when you're washing your dishes, or when you're just sitting idle in the house, or when you're just randomly daydreaming and thinking of stupid thoughts. You can just replace that by just robotically affirming. Another tip I have for you, just in case you're bored of robotic affirmations, is you can just loop in a couple of affirmations, like maybe 5 or 6 of your favorite statements, put it in a loop and put it in like a continuous loop of maybe 20 or 30 minutes. Record it, keep that recording or that audio note or a voice note on your phone, and then just listen to it every time you're maybe cooking your meals, or you don't need a lot of concentration with. Obviously, you're not going to use robotic affirmations when you're working or when you're doing something that requires you to focus or sort of have your 100% concentration in, but you're going to do this method especially when you're doing like monotonous chores at the home, or maybe you're just taking a walk at the park, or maybe you're just sitting idle somewhere and you have some time to, just listen to it. So that's exactly when you're going to do it. And the best part is you don't have to be like 100% conscious and 100% focused on this activity. You can just put it on, do your regular other monotonous activities that you want to do, or something that doesn't require you to have a lot of attention. You can still keep on doing that. A lot of people have seen a lot of success when they looped in their affirmations, put it as a 1-hour audio note or an audio recording, and they just played it while they were going to sleep. So it is totally fine if you can't do it. You can just loop in or think about your affirmations in your mind. You don't even have to repeat it out loud. You can just think it in your mind, and that's cool too. And all you have to do is just think about it and just drift off to sleep. And in the morning when you wake up, you can definitely connect your AirPods or earphones, whatever, and then listen to it. So that is effective too. So don't worry about, oh my god, everyone's doing it overnight, like, they're putting their earphones and they're doing it entire night. You don't have to worry about that. At the end of the day, all that matters is the intended action that you've taken towards it. If you can just spare 10 minutes in the morning and just listen to the affirmations, and maybe 10 minutes in the night, just repeat them in your mind, that is 100% effective as well. Remember, the key to manifest anything that you want is to just get into your wish fulfill state. It doesn't matter whether you use a vision board method, it doesn't matter if you use affirmations. It is all about getting into the wish fulfill state. End goal is always to just saturate your subconscious mind, and it doesn't matter what method you use. In case you can saturate your subconscious mind using the robotic affirmations, well and good. If you can saturate it using the scripting method, then go ahead and do that. But I would totally recommend, as an experiment at least, try robotic affirmations for 3 days. Select any one affirmation that you want and just repeat it 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the night, and just think about it continuously as a loop. Every single time you get distracted with other thoughts or you're thinking anything negative during the day, just replace them with a robotic affirmation. That is going to work in your favor. Just try it once. Use even a simple sentence, maybe something like, I saw a blue butterfly in the park today. If you watch my previous videos, you know what the reference means. But just try it out, see, and yeah, I just hope it works for you and gives you the kind of success that it has given me. And that's about it. If you have any questions about robotic affirmations, anything specific that you think I can cover, then leave it down in the comments below and I will answer them for you. And yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.